So today I wanted to talk to you about the differences between a solar prominence and a solar flare. The first picture I have up here on the board, this is a prominence, and what a prominence is you have a part of the electromagnetic field of the sun kind of busting out through the surface of the sun, and it forms kind of like a railroad track almost for the material on the surface of the sun to travel on. So it's set up like a pathway here. So it's kind of like if you took a paper clip and you bent it in a circle and you magnetized it and you had a bunch of little iron flecks around it. If you magnetize it, they'll go and kind of attach themselves to the paper clip. Well, that's kind of what happens here is it creates a path, and so that material follows that path in a big loop around the sun. And as you can see, these prominences can get really big because that right there is about how big the Earth is. Now, a solar flare is what happens when that electromagnetic field kind of gets twisted up so much that it just kind of explodes out into space. So there's no real path with the solar flare. A solar flare is just like a big explosion off of the surface of the sun. So just remember, a prominence is when you get a big loop and the material travels around the loop, and a flare is just when you get an explosion and it explodes out into space. If you have any questions, send me an email. Take care.